Sweets are a sure shot way to win over some hearts, and if they're simple to make, then that's just a happy bonus. Today, we'll show you 2 easy sweets that go from pan to plate in 30 minutes or less. Our first dish is Khajur ke Laddu, made with dates and nuts. Heat a pan and add 1.5 tablespoons of ghee, in which we'll toast up 2 tablespoons each of chopped almonds, cashews, and pistachios. You can change up this combination to suit your taste. Saute these for 5 minutes or till they turn crunchy. Then let them cool down a bit. Now take 20 soft dates and remove the seeds and chop them up roughly. We're using brown dates here as they have a softer, more honey-ish taste and are sticky enough for the right consistency. Though the black dates are relatively healthier, they are harder than the brown ones and less sweet. Next, in the same pan, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of more ghee. With Indian sweets, the more ghee, the better. Now the dates should be sauteed till they soften and turn into a paste. Then transfer them and let them cool down. Now once they're cool enough to handle, mix them up with the nuts, kneading them like a delicious, fragrant dough. Shape them into laddus. You can even do little squares if you like. Once rolled, you can garnish these with nuts or even roll them in desiccated coconut or some sesame seeds, which adds for a lovely coating. These go from pan to plate in a blissful 30 minutes and leave you looking like a domestic goddess. Our next recipe is a barfi made with the trendy super grain ragi. This is another one perfect for surprise guests because it's super simple. Get your pan hot and add ghee. Now for the dry fruits. We're using almonds, cashews, pistachios, 2 to 3 tablespoons each. We've chopped them up pretty well. Saute them for a minute or so. Now add half a cup of ragi flour and keep roasting it for 8 to 10 minutes or till the aroma changes. Once done, add half a cup of grated jaggery and keep stirring. Till the jaggery melts in with the flour. Once that's done, add half a cup of khoya to your paste and mix it well. Stir everything well and keep it moving. Once done, remove it and let it cool down. After the mixture is cooled down, but while it's still warm, flatten it to about ½ inch thickness. Then you can cut them up into your desired shape. And just like that, your ragi barfi is ready to serve in 30 minutes or less, faster than you can say pizza. 2 delicious crowd-pleasing sweets that you can whip up in no time and serve up to look like a sugar goddess. If you've liked these, do let us know in the comments below and share your fun recipes with us too. Thanks for watching.